This bracelet is worked diagonally. You can start from a tapered diagonal beginning, or you can go straight into your knotting and taper at the end if you prefer. This is a 12 thread 2 row repeat pattern. I'm using 6 colours with 2 threads for each colour, but you could use less colours or more colours if you prefer, but to keep the diamond in the centre you want to have an even number of colours. For row 1 you want to do 5 forward knots. Then you want to do 2 backward knots. And then you want to do 4 forward knots. For row 2 you want to do 4 forward knots. And then 2 backward knots. And then 5 forward knots. And you want to repeat the knotting sequence for row 1 and 2 all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. Although your colours won't be back in the original order, the knotting sequence repeats every 2 rows.
I've been stuck, now it feels like for ages. It's hard living these days. All the choices from the global solutions, driving away from all trying to...
And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with a braided tie on at each end, but you could fasten however you prefer. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.